Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Amazon Basic Grade 3 electronic touchscreen door bolt door lock with headset. If you are looking for a simple, affordable and secure way to upgrade your front door, you are going to want to see this. Yeah, inside the box we have the touchscreen door bolt. There we go. Back of it, you can see the cable here and the exterior handle set. This is the exterior handle set inside bag. We pull it out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, nickel satin. And very nice color, I like it. Yeah, the interior knob. This is the interior knob. Yeah, nice. And also this is the interior side of it, which comes with knob for locking the door and also holder for battery. Yep, 4 AA batteries fit here, and you have some diagrams over here and some information for setting up let's see, state delete and existing UC. Yeah, we have some information about setting up the passkey, thing like that. Okay, very good, very easy. And there is a cable with connector on the back side as well. Here, cable with connector. And we have the mounting hardware. So there are some hardware inside this box, which come very nicely packed. I already removed the pack. And also we have the user manual. And this is the user manual, which talks about the tools we need. Yeah, tools we need, and also instructions step by step how you're gonna go forward and set up, install and set up this Amazon Basic Deadbolt door lock. Yeah, you have some instruction here. There you go. And finally, it's gonna start in other languages as well. Okay, so we're gonna go forward and go with the installation, see how easy it could be, or if there are any challenges. Okay, I started removing the previous doorknob, thing like that, and start entering the first parts in. Okay, now we insert this latch, top latch, and gonna fasten with these 2 bolts, but make sure this slot is at the bottom. Okay, flat and at the bottom. There we go. Okay, so this is our exterior touchpad. It's gonna go here, and this cylinder is gonna stay in a way that this is bottom, the key slot will be at the bottom like this. Okay, and we're gonna make sure this cable pass through the bottom side of this hole. Yeah, again I was showing the bottom opening, the top opening. You're gonna make sure this cable goes through this bottom opening of this circular hole. Okay, this whole cylinder and touchpad is in on this side, and on this side you have the cable and you have this flat rod passing through the slot, black slot over there. Now I'm gonna use these two long bolts to fasten this mounting plate on the interior side to the touching pad, exterior touching pad, and make sure this cable pass through this bottom bottom slot, bottom opening over here. Okay, so this part is very nice tightened with these bolts, and on the back we have this structure. Nice. So now it's time to connect this interior assembly of the doorknob. So make sure because the hinge is on the left side, make sure this knob is on the left side. Okay, and so now it's time to connect these two cables through these connectors, and this blue highlight. We have this blue color on both sides, so connect it like that, and then insert through this hole. Okay, there you go. So the exterior assembly is attached. Nice. So I'm gonna fasten the bolts. So what I'm saying, I have few opening for the bolts, and so let's do it. Gonna use these three bolts, one here, these three bolts, one here, one here, and one here. So 1, 2, 3, and fasten this interior assembly to the mounting plate. Okay, so I inserted these 4 AA batteries, and I am seeing that connection here is working, right? So I'm gonna set it up later, but I am seeing that when I'm touching this touchpad, I see the keypad. So lovely, means that it's working. After battery test, I'm gonna use this kind of a screw, and which is gonna go inside the door. Yeah, so it's gonna go inside the wood here. So I'm gonna tighten this last part. Now it's time for drilling. There is a drawing and including in the package, which allows you to specify where you're gonna drill the hole, but you know, you can simply use the pen and specify that, you know, this is your area to put the hole. Okay, and I'm gonna do that and drill the hole, and we're gonna use a drill bit 1 millimeter. Just simply drill somewhere here. Okay, so our hole is ready all the way through back of the door, and we made some mess here, but it's okay, it's gonna stay under the plate. Okay, very nice. Exterior level is attached and works very nicely. This two nice bolts to bolt this interior lever here. How it looks like from outside, very nice, very neat, right? And how it looks like from inside. There you go, and handle works very nice. Love it. Good job, good job. Yeah, please don't forget to comment, and if you have any question, and please like this video and put thumbs up, and also click on the bell button. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye bye.